Almost 10 weeks old, and the first time we changed the sawdust since they were 2 weeks. Hey, Dana, me what today? Dana, me catch a down or today, baby. I took the Bian Sign for Kutukumbu. Baby, I will offer. Yes, I am for Kutu. No one won't call. Why? Oh, I be another way one. Because in the front of why I'm son for me catch a body. And other me catch. Oh, okay. Miss, what about why you lie, you never saw you. It's me come on that miss on missing me the man. A bomb put on ye. What's on call for Pambo Martin? This is week 10, and this is the last week they are on grower. Then we're gonna go and develop it. And they're gonna be on there till like week 19, so maybe 9 weeks in developer. Insu you add no more. Insu no dey you call ho. Insu no who important pa o. De bia ma ba na insu nya ade no mu ntimi nyi ha na oye dey. Wa san to ade mo you call constant. De bia ma ba na insu nyi ntimi nyi ha. Na sa me bo hwe ya bo na hours insu bia enyi we no mu. Krumpo nyim. Insu no hu hia pa me pa cha ma ye adwuma na egu kwa. Every hour be I want check the insu ma. Cause one insu pa yan ma want to. Every time I come, there's barely any water in here. Like, seriously, 4 workers. I'm getting tired, man. Dry. Not right. Because they're on medication, so we have to make sure they have water all the time. Meba. Come demo. No come demo. Yan fa ka kan kan we. Mun fa bin kan. Mun hwe we so on so na mo de ka kan kan. Ai e bia you know 70 ahe no so mo. Ti fa bi mun fa ka kan kan ho. Yan hwe. Ona da mun ya no ko du Monday ano panam di bia basa. Eni ya do na. Cause me so come do me so boss so wo ho. On chen wa so wo cause one no mpa akaka me ai di beacon. Come do ntia. Kai mun steady one ai. Cause this anko do wo di be 89 kg. Almost too bad. This is a 1.5. Mama told the kakana. We did it. Next week, no more. I shall regular eating after. Hey, Muji di papa. Samaba. Afternoon snack. Snack in Pony. This is just a snack. Afternoon snack. I'm gonna walk home. Now, who has been called on buying shit? Muja Moko, Munko paid Banny Bilin, the Munko.
So the biggest challenge in being a poultry farmer is having to take care of the birds from day 1 up to they lay in week 20, okay? And it's not easy. You have to buy feed, medication, pay workers. So you have to make sure you have the money, and then that's when the struggle comes in, when you don't prepare before you bring in the chicks. And then some of you will ask me, how much will it cost to raise this many chicks to this? I can't really tell you because things are changing in price by the week in Ghana. So I can only give you an idea, but the specific amount, I might say 15,000. And by the time it's your turn, it will be like triple the amount. So just make sure you have enough saved plus extra, okay, if you want to do this job.
Sometimes we like to treat them to a little afternoon snack. Normally, they eat in the morning and then in the evening around 4 p.m. Between 3 and 4 p.m. But sometimes if I study them and I think they're a bit hungry, and when they're hungry, when you go in there, they follow you around. That's when you know they're hungry. Then I give them a little snack. So they are snacking. They are snacking. Because I don't want them, sometimes when they're very hungry, they peck. And I don't want that. So when I notice they're hungry, I just give them snacks. And it's the same feed I'll give them at night or in the evening, but I just give them some to get them occupied and not so hungry and following your every little step. Right, guys? Right? We are about to begin week 11 in 2 days. In 2 days it will be 11 weeks. 11 weeks in 2 days. Today is Tuesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, then they're 11 weeks old. Bye, guys. See ya. Go have your snack. Go.
So I just entered, and you see how they're all piled up by the entrance. They want food. They are hungry. When they're full, they just move around. They're playing. But when they pile up like that, as soon as you open the door, they think food is coming, and they're there. That means they need food. You see them? They're all piled up. So they're waiting for food. So yeah, they are eating a lot. This video is from week 10 to 12, and it's not a joke, the amount of food they eat. So remember the pile of feed, the growers I piled up, it's all gone. They are week 10 So right now they're on developer, and they're going to be on developer to week 17, okay? And then from week 17 to 20 is pre-layer, and then by 20 weeks they should be laying, and then they'll be on layer mesh, okay? So they're on developer, and I'm going to have to buy 114 bags of developer from week 10 to 17. It's not cheap, guys. Not cheap. Make sure you're ready.
Okay. Then you sense to be any. That be. And the mom pumping in time. At the balance want to mention tomorrow. There be other sugum, there be a.
So at this point, week 10 to 12 were up to date. They're just basically on medications like combined vitamins, and we'll update with vaccination. I'm told they'll get their last vaccination and third Newcastle on week 17, okay? And we did the fowl pox in the last video, and we don't have to repeat it. You only repeat fowl pox if you do it earlier on, like week 4 or something. But if we did it week 8, so we're still good forever, so that's good. So we'll do our last vaccination, third Newcastle, before they lay, and then we're gonna have to do the beacon. The beacon is scheduled for week 12, and they're already almost week 12, so I don't know if we'll do it or we're gonna move it forward, because it's a lot of work capturing each and every one of them and debeaking them. We have the electric debeaker, but if we decide to do it, I'll definitely show you how we do it. Yeah, and few more weeks I'm hoping to get some money, because the amount of money we've pumped in here is no joke. Like, I'm crying because the other birds are not there to support these. We sold them off, so it's basically in our pocket, okay? So doing this and our building project, it hasn't been easy, but in a month or so they're gonna start laying and hopefully take care of themselves, so I can get back on my building project, because it's been slow, because I've been concentrating on raising these chicks to make sure they lay. So that's the update, okay? And I'll bring you the beacon video, and I'll stop bringing you video until I get the golden eggs. Or let me know, do you still want to see update until they lay? Because this is week 12, so I'm thinking I'm gonna stop to like week 17 when we do last vaccination and the beacon. We'll probably do the beacon before the last vaccination. But let me know. Thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do me a favor, leave a comment, share my videos, and until next time, I'm still here. Smile. Okay, enjoy the last few minutes of the video, and I'll see you again later.
So week 12. They're gonna get the last Newcastle. Go get me the pipe. I need some type of a stick.
So yeah, the sawdust is wet and cakey again, and I swear I did not spare them. I turned off the video and I blasted them, and the man there was there somewhere hunting for a grass cutter. Like, what the heck? So I was furious. Off camera, I just gave it to them. And that guy was working for a politician in my area that has a farm. And I said, when you were working for that man, would you leave your workplace and go hunt for a grass cutter? Like, what the heck is wrong with you people? Like, 4 of you, and every time I go in there, something is lacking, nothing is being done. What's going on? Like, I was angry. I didn't want to show it on camera, but I blasted them, okay? And then I left. Like, when I get angry, I just leave. I don't talk to them. It's like, I'm over it. It's the same thing over and over and over again. I'm trying to be so nice, but they don't get it. You have to micromanage every single thing. And these are grown-ass men and women. Gosh!